Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to find T-Mobile hotspot. Okay, so to basically locate the Wi-Fi network information, for example, your name and password, right, you want to follow the following steps. First, you want to remove the back cover using this notch on the side of this T-Mobile hotspot device, okay? Go ahead and remove this battery, right? And then you'll be able to see the default hotspot network name and password located under the SSID and password as well. And the web UI manager address and default password are also located under the admin URL and admin password. And it's literally that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.